My name is Sophie Parham and I am the Guitar Sensei. My mission is to share the positive power of rock guitar with kids because the process of learning to play the guitar teaches kids powerful lifelong skills like goal setting, vision, discipline, dedication, and grit. The Rock Dojo began 5 years ago with a bicycle, a guitar, and a dream. At the time, I supported my family by biking around Portland's rainy streets with an electric guitar on my back and an amp in my bike rack. It wasn't until I began to study Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu that all of that changed. I realized I could leverage the martial arts belt system to inspire my students to practice the guitar and learn transferable life skills. Just like the martial arts, students begin at the white belt level, progressing through 5 levels of guitar curriculum represented by the white, yellow, green, red, and black belt. When COVID-19 hit, the Rock Dojo had grown into an award-winning guitar program for kids, serving about 150 elementary school students per week. A FedEx grant would enable me to pivot my business online, impact students all over the country, and provide scholarships for underserved students. With that in mind, help me share the positive power of rock guitar with more kids by supporting my FedEx Small Business Grant application. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become.